Good morning, everyone, here on the farm. I came out to drink my coffee, and it sure is noisy this morning. So I thought some of you might enjoy talking back to the goats. The goats are talking, the cows are talking, the birds are singing. It's a beautiful morning. Humidity's not here yet. I do not know the names of all the animals. But look at them. Here come the goats. They probably think I'm the one feeding them. I've got that wrong. Goats will climb in anything. I'm also holding my coffee. I don't know what cow that is. We've had Fred and I think Snowflake and Frosty. Emerson loves to name the animals. The not wildflowers, but the sunflowers are just a-growing. I'm taking it into the barn. I believe this is where we'll find Anna and her babies. They're just, oh, there's Anna. Those are the new babies on the farm. They were born a couple of weeks ago. Hello there. Hello there. You're looking for breakfast. Jackson must not have gotten here yet to feed you. We're going to go next door, all right? Here's next door. And there we have another baby. Anna blesses us with twins quite often. This baby would have just probably been weaned from his mama not long ago. And so they get out so badly. All right, let's go see some more animals. I hear the bucks yelling. They get out so badly that until they're a little bit bigger and won't be able to squeeze through the fence, we leave them pinned up to keep them safe. Farmers are probably the most conscientious animal people, as it's a livelihood for them. Here are the bucks. How are you? I think your name's Spot, isn't it? Are you Spot? Where's Houdini? I think this is Houdini coming to see me. I named Houdini. Houdini is the only one I've named. I named it last summer because it kept getting out of his pen. He would just climb this up, fence up, and get out. They love those big rocks that we have there. They have all this pasture to eat. So none of the animals are actually hungry. They have plenty of food. But it's a noisy morning. There's Bo. He stays up here a lot when Papa and I are here. One of our grand dogs. I think as I get closer, you'll be able to see all the sunflowers. The last time I took a video, we only had one. Now, look at all those beautiful faces. I love sunflowers. If you didn't know, they face the sun. They're facing east as the sun comes up. And tonight, look at all those birds in the hay pasture. That's where they were mowing yesterday when Greg came in and told us they were mowing yesterday or the day before. Here's a sunflower about to open, if you've never seen that. There's one a little more open, and there's the wide faces. Such beautiful big faces. Well, I think I'm going to head back to the deck. Finish my coffee. Can you hear the birds? Feel free to ask questions. I pulled weeds yesterday. Didn't get them all. We have some thistles we don't want on the farm. So we'll take them. And I think Andy will burn them. Look what Bo brought up. Imagine a dog getting into something. Have a wonderful day. And remember, you have a purpose.